Tracking coronavirus tonight as businesses across our state start to reopen. The CDC and local health departments recommend you wear a mask while around others. But some people are still choosing not to wear a face covering, saying it is their right. WATE 6 on your side reporter Kellyanne Stitz hears from an attorney about what is in our state's constitution.
Constitution does not say.
Akram Pfizer, a professor of law at LMU Law School, says under Tennessee's constitution, the state has the right to regulate people for reasons that are rationally related to a legitimate government interest like public health safety.
There's always a difference between people's idea of their constitutional rights and what the courts have concluded their constitutional rights are. The Constitution basically says that the government has broad police powers to rationally regulate us for reasons like public health and safety. And for that reason, a court would conclude that you can be legitimately disallowed from entering public places or private businesses for not wearing a mask.
And when it comes to businesses requiring people to wear a face mask upon entering, if a customer is not wearing one, that business can legally deny service.
A business has to serve us unless the decision not to serve implicates one of our human rights law requirements or civil rights laws. In other words, Tennessee business cannot say to me, we won't serve you because you're Muslim or because you have dark skin. But they can say we won't serve you for not wearing a mask.
Since businesses are considered private locations, those who seek to enter one are invitees and have to abide by their requirements.
It could be a business's own requirement, right? It's not a law. You and I don't have a right to be in a business. We're invited to be in a business. And we have to abide by the rules of the business, right? We don't have a right to be there. A court would conclude that the state or the local government has it within what we call our state police powers to require people for public health reasons to wear a mask in public places or in enclosed spaces such as businesses or restaurants.
The mask has been deemed a key part to helping limit the spread of coronavirus.
But certainly we don't have a constitutional right not to wear a mask and put other people at jeopardy.
Reporting in Knoxville, Kellyanne Stitz, WATE 6 on your side.
Thank you, Kellyanne. Now, the city of Knoxville is offering downloadable signs stating no mask, no service posters for business owners to use to help encourage people to wear masks.